here's the bed.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a different video that I haven't really done before. So this is a room makeover video. So basically I used to have this really ugly wallpaper on my wardrobe. I had a really small bed and my drawers were really like broken and it just wasn't ideal. So in this vlog I redo my room. I did film most of it with my phone, just so you know, which is why the quality is not the best, but I still hope you find it interesting and I'm really happy with the end result. So yeah, here comes the video. So this cupboard is gonna go. This is just a mattress on my floor right now. This should be painted and I'm gonna get a new bed. So this is how it looks now.
Yep.
Now I'm gonna clear out these drawers, so that's why that's all over there. It's just a random day. I don't know, actually it's the 1st of October today, which is crazy. Autumn is here, guys. I'm just waiting at my dad's because I just bought some new light bulbs for my car because I need to change them because some of them weren't working, and he's gonna help me, but he's out eating now. And I've needed to paint these for ages because this is my redoing my room video. Filming this on my phone because I don't have my camera here or anything. I wasn't thinking of this, but I think I'm actually gonna try and paint these because these are so ugly. These have been here since like 2012 or 13 when we moved in, and I mean this was my style. I wanted it to be a little bit romantic and stuff. The other day I filled these drawers with things and put this on them. So yeah, that's that. Okay guys, I'm so not going to be tall enough to reach the top, but I'm going to have to get a stool or something, and this is what I found. So apparently I need to tape up there so I don't get any on the roof. Probably tape the wall as well. I've got my paint down there. It's literally been there for over a year because I've been so lazy, and this is what I found to put on the floor. So let's get cracking. Literally just been to the gym as well. So productive today. Yay. Okay, let's get going. I got changed into my ugliest clothes, which are pajamas. And I've got, you guys like, nah man, that's not your ugliest clothes. So I've got all this on the floor. I had to put a plastic bag on my stool because that's what I'm going to be standing on. I put some tape there. Took the mirror down, like, yeah, you know. So let's get started, mate. Hopefully I can still use this paint and hopefully I don't get any on the wall, which maybe I will, you know. That's just the type of person I am. I can't even open this bloody box at this minute and it's hurting me so bad. Maybe I should remove this whole plastic. Why is this? Oh my god, like I want to paint a wall. Girl. Okay. Ouch. Oh my god, okay. She's coming off, guys. I'm afraid. I'm so afraid right now. Jesus Christ. I hope this paint isn't too old now. Okay. Ugh. I think I need to stir it a bit. Oh gosh. I won't be able to film while I'm doing this just because I've only got my phone. No tripod or anything. Wish me luck. This is what the colour looks like right now. It's not stirred or anything. It's all watery there. I need to stir this, I think. So guys, I've done my first layer of paint and it went quite well actually. Don't know how many more I'm gonna have to do, but maybe like 2. And now I've put plastic on these. So next time I come here, I'll do another layer. So guys, once again I'm vlogging on my phone because I didn't bring my camera.
Oh no!
But who cares? So now, I mean, who cares? You guys do because the quality is probably shit. But I'm gonna pick up my bed now. I've been waiting for this stupid bed for way too long. It feels like 4 weeks. They were like, your bed's here. And then they called me like,
Oh no, your bed's gonna be shipped on the 3rd of October.
I got a text, then I got another text. And then today I got a text that it was like on its way. And I'm like, girl, it's supposed to be there. So I've called them 3 times. 3rd time now, just like a few minutes ago, they confirmed that it's in the store. So I'm going to pick it up with my dad. He's already rented a trailer, so it would have been tragic if it wasn't there, but thank God it is. So we're gonna go pick it up now. I've just been working and I'm really excited to build it up and stuff, but I still haven't painted my room finished. So I'll probably like try and paint another layer today. So come on, let's go. So here's the bed. I'm gonna have to put it together a different day because I'm going to the gym now and we need to get my old bed out before I can start putting the new bed together. Also need to finish painting this. I think I'll probably come home here tonight and do another layer because I'm going to the gym right now. I'll see you guys later. I'm back after the hard arm and back gym pass. I just painted another layer and now I'm taking my bed apart. So we'll see how that goes. I'm in my bedroom now and I've got, sorry about the way I look, I've got loads of different spanners, so one of them has got to fit. So now I'm gonna take apart this bed piece. Let's go if I can. I don't know how being a handyman is gonna work for me. Let's try this bad boy. What about number 13? What? Oh, that wasn't a good idea, guys. Yes, I did it. This one was harder, I don't know why. Yay! One piece removed. Woo! So guys, as you can see, I have got my new bed in my room and I really love it. I've had it here for a while now. There's just been a lot going on with my life, with my Spanish and everything. So that's why I haven't filmed it until now, but the bed is here. It's so comfortable and it's so nice to have a bigger bed. I bought this for it because I thought it would be more autumnal, and this blanket is so comfy. So it's like burgundy coloured. And then I also bought this super soft pillow. It was on sale as well, so it was like really cheap. I think it was like £5. Love that. I also got this grey pillowcase, which is really soft. Was also like very cheap, and I thought these two would go together. And then I got this one. I don't like this colour at all. It doesn't, I mean, I like the colour, it's red, but it doesn't go with this. I've also got my little Christmassy pillow. Like, it's allowed to put this up now, isn't it? It's allowed for the purpose of this video. Let's make it a bit Christmassy. So right now I'm just making my bed, so I'll show you over my room later. But I was thinking I wanted to redecorate it a little bit, declutter a little bit more, just to get that extra feeling, you know, for the holidays. I've got a few things that I can get rid of, I think, and just make it look a bit more nicer for the festive season that's coming up. Let's get cracking. I don't want these pillows to be seen, so I put them at the bottom. And then at last, my little Christmas pillow. Never really had this many pillows in my room, but I'm literally loving it. It's so comfy. I only sleep with like one or two though. So this is what the bed's looking like, and yes, I know I'm the worst at making my bed. I just don't like the butterfly that's on there, but I can't rip it off because then I'll rip the paint off. So I want to like paint that, but it's very old. I think it will be a big job, so I might get a new one, I don't know. But that's for a whole different video because I was planning on finishing this video tonight. Yeah, the bed came with legs and everything. It's nice. It's from Jysk if you live in Sweden. So these are already nice and festive. And then over here I have these, but I've had them there for a while. I got them in Amsterdam at like a photo museum. And these fairy lights I have all year around. Love. This is looking like not very good, so I might fix that. You've got a nice view of under my bed right now. £2. Do you ever just throw 2p in the bin? Like, that's probably really bad to do, but what am I gonna do with it? Don't even live in England anymore. So in here we've got this, some chocolate, Swedish chocolate, the best. This, I don't know why, and this because I like to scare people. I think this is just normal water. Yep. I've got some hand sanitizer, guys. Might as well put that in my little bag. I hate doing this. This is like literally the worst job ever. Looking a little bit better now. So this is like awful. So I thought I want to like use something like this because I like this. So I want to have it out here somewhere. I think I might want to put it like over here. I just put these Christmas coloured lights on this little tray here. I think it's from IKEA or H&M Home, I'm not sure. Next to these 3 books. I don't know, I'm like dissatisfied. I don't think it looks that good. I like this side though, but I'm not too keen on all the pictures in the back, so I think I'm going to take some down. So I just removed so many Polaroids from my wall, but I still want to use them, so I'm going to try and like hang them up. So I just got some paper clips, so I'm going to put them on that fairy light there. So I had way too many Polaroid pictures to put them all on display, so I just put some of them behind each other. I'm planning on writing on all of them also so I don't forget. But they're just some nice fun memories. I still want it to be a bit personal. I just didn't like when it was that cluttery. So all of these pictures I'm going to save like in case I want to use them again. And these fairy lights I probably won't use because they were kind of bad. Probably it's the batteries that are bad, but oh well. I feel like it looks a little bit naked there now though. But I'll get used to it. I don't really like what's up there either. I do have some Christmassy photos here from other years that I've printed, so I might hang some of them up. Don't know how I feel about that. No, I don't like that. Don't know if this is any better, but that's what I've done right now. Oh my god guys, I found my beige pillowcase that I bought, so I can change this red one for this one. So this is my makeup bag, can't do anything about that. I'm going to see if I can remove this because it's ugly. All I have in it is like earrings and stuff like that. So we have like earrings that don't match each other, some random more earrings, some random lip products, some more like hair things. So I'm going to see if I can sort this out now. I'm going to use old jewellery boxes to help. So I managed to empty all of these drawers, so that's great. Now I can give this away. And now I've got this, which I think is a lot more neat. So I've got it like in here I've got gold jewellery, in here I've got like little studs and things I don't use, and here's silver jewellery, which I never use hardly because I'm a gold gal now. Behind here I've got my Tangle teaser, in there I've just got some essentials like deodorant, perfume. I've got a little Yankee candle and my body lotion, and here I've just got brushes, stuff like that. A makeup bag and also like a few essentials. I mean, this doesn't really need to be there, but yeah. Here's my door, and this is the final result. Well, not the final because I still have some changes I'd like to do. Didn't get very far with that section today, but that's fine. Don't mind my dirty laundry as well there. But I'm pleased with this section as well. Oh yeah, I need to remove those flowers. Let me just take these down. This is how it's looking now. I moved my R up there. And it looks like that. And then over there, I've just got that now. And I moved those books there because they weren't really looking good over there. This is a whole nother story. As I said, need to sort that out, but just not right now. Also need a new rubbish bin. Final result once again. Yeah, I'm really pleased with it. So thank you all for watching. If you want more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below and give me like video requests. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to follow my socials to stay updated with what I do because I post there more often. Bye guys. Oh my god, I haven't removed this. I hope the paint doesn't go away with it. Oh my god, that would be awful. Okay, so far so good. Oh, shit. Oh my god. my god, it made it.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give